What's up? It's Regis, Ochi in the building. So I'm here to teach you like 5 moves you need to actually start with hip hop. So let's get it. Okay, look. So I have like little steps we could do as you're starting your hip hop journey. So it's like a beginner steps. Yeah. So let's do it. Let's get it. Let's jump right to it. So basically, hip hop is the basic move of hip hop is a groove. It's groove. It's like rapping groove. So this is called an MC rap groove. So you bend your torso. So the move comes from your torso. Yes. That's an MC rap groove. Let's do it together with the music.
With the music.
No, it's alright. No, it's about... Make sure you engage with your torso. Hey. You just wanted to run. Though I know it's no means fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how I act up, 1 + 1 is 9. Hey. You've been on my mind. So you can do different variation with it. I done like a step. Hey. You said it was a vibe for the time being. It was nothing more, but I just couldn't see. Step. This is not a song for the whole world. Step. Felt like it could have been us against the whole world. Step. Baby, you were mine and I was your girl. Hey, let's go. Hey. I take back what I said. That's an MC rap groove. So, yeah. So the second move will be the Bart Simpson, which is more of a travel move. So you travel like this, 1 and 2. So let's go, let's get it. 5, 4, 3. Let's do it with slowly. Slide, chop. Slide, chop. Slide and chop. Slide and chop. Let's go. Slide and chop. 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 Bart Simpson, everybody. Let's get it. So as soon as we got that, let's try to add on from the first move, from the MC rap groove to the variation to the Bart Simpson. Okay. Hey, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, let's go. Hey. Now that I am so hey. I take back what I said. Sitting with this love. Hey, hey, let's step. Hey, hey. Little love October. We hey. Hey, hey, let's go and slide. You and I were over. Me and you are done. Hey, slide and chop, slide and chop, slide and chop, slide and chop, slide and chop. Bart Simpson, hey, Bart Simpson. Hey, woo. No matter how I act up, 1 + 1 is 9. You've been up. Okay, let's go. So as soon as you get the Bart Simpson's move, so you go with the Superman groove. So it's actually what it is. It's a Superman. Hey, so you go. You step 1 and 2. So step in with your arm. So stop and step. So let me look there for you to like get where the legs are going. 5, 4, 3, 2. Step, 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 step. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey.
Trying to get you off to this right now. You said it was a vibe for the time being.
Hey.
It was not.
So those are 3 moves. So I'm gonna add on a little move called Harlem Shake. It's more about the shoulders. The shoulders. Okay, let's go. So this move is basically the groove comes from the shoulder. So you lift up your shoulder. So with the leg. Let's first do the one shoulder. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and low. Let's go. 1 and chop. 1 and chop. So let's add on another shoulder. 1 and 1 and 1 chop, 1 chop, 1 chop, 1 chop. So 1 chop. Hey, let's go. So let's do it from the top. I know this could be complicated for your shoulders. So let's go. So 1, hey, 2, 2, 2, tup, 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 tup. Hey, hey, come on. Hey, hey. So make sure you rewind this video and just check the tutorial before. So we are kind of quick there. So the last move is called the kickball change. So the last move is a little bit with the feet. So hey, don't forget about these. These. Okay. So it's with the feet. So this move is it. Let me break it down to you. It's gonna look like this. Hit, 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 cheek ball, chop, cheek, cheek, chop. So look. Just kick. It's a kick, then down, then chop. So it's kick, down, side, chop, kick, down, side, chop. Let's go. So kick, down, side, chop, kick, down. Okay, kick, down, side. So let's do it with the groove. So when you don't do it with the groove, it all comes with that basic groove that I told you, the MC rap groove. It's all like the fundamental of hip hop. So if you do it with the groove, let's go. We do like pump a chop, tap a chop, tap a chop, tap a chop, kick and side, kick and side.
If I've learned anything at all, with
Hey,
us,
kick,
no matter how I
kick,
one plus one is you've been on my mind for a while.
Hey, so let's try to like mix all the moves that we taught. It's only 5 moves. As soon as you get it, I promise you're gonna start off the journey of hip hop with the good fundamentals. Let's get it. Music.
Wishing for it, but never.
Hey, hey, hey. Let's start with this group.
I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast.
Hey,
Now that
step variation.
so
Step, step,
I take back what I
step,
I'm
step,
sitting with this love
step,
over.
step,
Boy, it's hurting my
step,
head. It's
step.
your love
Hey,
over.
Superman.
We just can't
travel with it. Hey, 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 sit, let's go. Hey, 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 Bart Simpson. Hey, woo, get it. Hey, let's go. Yeah, get ready for the kickball chant. Woo, and 5, 4, 2, 1. Hey, hey, groove with it. Groove with it. Yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, hey, hey. Woo! That was it, guys. I hope you enjoy. This came from the Sunset.Shine. So, yeah, more courses are coming online. Make sure to tune in. Peace out. That was Regis, Ochi. I'm dead.